we understand that those students, with some other passengers, are going back to Okigwe. And then around that gully area, just before the local government headquarters, Okigwe local government headquarters, just before there, that area is, has always been bad with gullies on both sides of the road, a very dangerous area in terms of navigation. So we understand that they were attacked by yet to be identified, people, whether they are hoodlums, whether they are armed robbers, whether they are kidnappers, bandits, headsmen, Boko Haram. Nobody can say for sure until all the investigation, investigation is completed. So we got this information, and then quickly the security operatives swung into action, and then we were able to, recover one or two items, like a telephone set belonging to one of the students. So that was exactly what happened. But as at now, from preliminary investigations and reports, from all the security agents, what we know is that for now, that it's only one student that is involved, and we hear that they have made contact with the family of that student. The other two students, were able to escape, from the grip of these people.